of years upon us. Sturgis Motorcycle Rally, this is the very first day. Day one, officially. Glad to be back. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I got here about 9:20 a.m. I guess about 9:30 right now. And down here, there's hardly anyone parked yet. Near Rally Point there. Got people driving vehicles down here, they're not supposed to. That's the second vehicle I've seen, four-wheel vehicle come down Main. There's a line to go up to the platform to take a picture, an elevated picture of Main. I've never done that. I guess I've never felt like it was worth it. Well, everyone showed up now. A whole lot more crowded. Coming on about 1:30 right now, and as you can see, it's a beehive of activity. All right, I'm all the way to the end of this, to this end of Main Street now. Love seeing that, all the bikes just lined up all the way down.
How many of you folks here are first timers? All right, well, welcome to Black Hills. I know you're going to have an absolutely fantastic time. My name is D-Ray Knight. I am the host MC here at Rally Point. It's time to begin our opening ceremony festivities. We'll start with the presentation. Well, no, we're going to start with the mayor of Sturgis, the Honorable Mayor. Is she here? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big Sturgis Rally welcome to the Mayor, the Honorable Mayor of Sturgis, Angela Wilkerson. Angela Wilkerson.
So on behalf of the City of Sturgis, I just welcome each and every one of you. Those of you who have been here before, those of you who have been here many, many times before, welcome back. Those of you who are here for the first time, welcome to Sturgis.
With us today are some of Neil Holtman's family. So let's have a big round of applause for our 84 Sturgis Motorcycle Rally Grand Marshal, Neil Holtman. Thank you. Thank you very much, Neil, for all you did to further this great, great event. presentation on the brick. Neil Holtman's son, Rick Holtman. Here you go.
Thank you for the trophy and for the brick. And Neil and Lorna would really appreciate it, and all the family. Have a safe rally. There's already been a few accidents. Have a great time.
Biggest motorcycle rally in the world. It's great to be back for the 84th time in a row, and we will be back every year ever into the future. Have a great time over the next 10 days. Ride free, ride safe, and raise a little hell. Thank you.